Welcome to HR Chronicle, the best HR and payroll management software in the Middle East region. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily reset your employee's self-service password in just a few simple steps. Steps to reset your ESS password. On the employee self-service login page, click on Forgot Password. Enter the email address associated with your ESS account. You'll receive an email with a password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. On the password reset page, enter your username. Enter your new password. Confirm the new password. Click Reset. Your password has now been successfully reset. Logging in with your new password. Click on Login. You'll be redirected to the ESS login page. Enter your username. Enter the new password you just set. Click Sign In. And that's it. You are now logged into your HR Chronicle ESS account with your updated credentials. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, the best HR and payroll management software of the UAE region. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.